Hello, what's up guys, I am Rabbit and welcome in next tutorial where I will show you how to have cheats to grounded. Unlimited health, unlimited stamina, unlimited food, unlimited shield and others easy kills. So cool it is. It is application vmod. You have a link in the description to this application. It is here, you must open. It has only 18.5 megabytes. So install now. When you did it, next step is click, enter in this vmod. You must choose game grounded, and next step is click play. Here, grounded and play. I will show you to gameplay with cheats. Okay, now I am in the game. I will show you unlimited health, stamina. On example, fight with the ants. I must find. Okay, it's here. I will show you. As you can see, I am immortal. I am God. And I will show you jeszcze super fast moving. For the moment, choice. Okay, and as you can see, I believe I can fly. Oh yeah, and it is so cool. And now fight with Ladybug. So wait a second. Okay, as you can see, we did it. Ladybug is dead now. I will show you that we are also unlimited immortal underwater. You don't need breath. Oh, it is very cool. So cool. Fish. Last time I played in this game 1 year ago. I see many updates and it is really cool. Nice. So awesome is this fish. Oh, something is water boatman. Okay, I go to the water cave. Deep. T-Rex. Nice. So cool. As you can see, I'm too fast. I can't take this science. Okay. That's all. That's all. It is so nice. I will show you gameplay on the ending fight with mosquito. Also new mobs. So cool. For the moment, water spider. Okay. Science. So fast. Mosquito. Okay, thanks for watching, bye bye and see you next time. Thanks, bye.